From Slavic Kitchen Alchemy by Zaza. The importance of an egg. The Slavic creation myth illustrates the importance of the egg within the Slavic cultures. As the beginning of new life, it is treated as something very special. Pisanki are decorated eggs that the Slavs use in Easter rituals. In the olden days, they were strictly the woman's domain, and if a man walked into a room while they were being decorated, a special cleansing ritual involving salt had to be performed. A clever way of getting some quality time with the girls, perhaps? Different regions of each country have different types of traditional patterns, decorations, and techniques for pisanki. Some say that the further east we go, the more intricate the designs. I have always had a soft spot for pisanki in the Kirpi region of Poland, which my grandmother had in her treasure trove of a flat. They had holes in the top and bottom, of course, because forever pisanki can't have a real egg inside, so the egg is blown out of them. They were light and velvety because they were decorated with wool and the inside of a bulrush plant. The end result makes me think of whipped cream on the top of a cake. Forever pisanki are given as gifts in order to bring luck and prosperity to their owner. Historically, one of the most popular ways of decorating them has been batik, using wax to draw patterns before dyeing the eggs in darker shades and repeating, until we attain a multi-layered cosmic design. Only once the wax is melted does the final design reveal itself. After banning pisanki originally, the church reversed the ban in the 12th century and has now fully embraced the folkloric custom. In Poland, pisanki eggs are placed in a basket with other food such as dried sausage, bread, salt, and pepper, as well as spring branches and fluffy chicks or a sugar sheep. The elaborate basket from each household is taken to church to be blessed before we begin Easter breakfast, and the celebrations can start. The holy eggs are then cracked open and shared amongst the family members with blessings.